In this question, again you're given 3 points. You're asked to find the nature of the triangle. So again, let us find the sides of this triangle and check what the nature is. So what is the length of PQ? PQ is equal to root of 3 minus of minus 2, that is 3 plus 2 whole square, minus 2 minus 3, that is plus minus 5 whole square. That is equal to root of 25 plus 25 is root 50. Or this can be written as 5 root 2. So what is QC? QC is again root of 3 minus 0 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 whole square. It is 3 square plus 2 square. That is root of 13. And what is PC? PC is equal to root of 2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square. Again 2 square plus 3 square is equal to root of 13. So two sides are equal and the third side is different. And you can very clearly see that PQ square is not equal to PC square plus QC square. So I am also checking for right angleness. So Pythagoras theorem is not valid because QC square plus PC square is 26, but PQ square is 50. So this is an isosceles triangle. So these 3 points form an isosceles triangle. Thank you.